Precision farming has never been this accurate. Using advanced GPS technology, farmers around the world are revolutionizing agriculture and boosting yields like never before. But how exactly does GPS technology in agriculture work? And how can it help you save time, reduce costs, and increase yields? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about GPS tools for precision farming. Let's dive in. Introduction to precision farming with GPS. Precision farming is the practice of using GPS-based systems to manage crops and livestock with extreme accuracy. By using satellite data, farmers can monitor field conditions in real time and adjust their machinery accordingly. This technology is especially important for large-scale farms, where managing vast acres of land can be challenging. GPS helps optimize every part of the farming process, from planting and fertilizing to watering and harvesting. Each pass of the tractor can be tracked, ensuring that no areas are missed and no resources are wasted. Additionally, with precise location data, farmers can reduce overlapping applications of fertilizers and pesticides, preventing overuse and minimizing environmental impact. This leads to reduced waste, improved crop quality, and increased efficiency on the farm. In essence, GPS technology provides farmers with the tools they need to maximize their output while minimizing the use of valuable resources like water, fuel, and chemicals. This combination of accuracy and efficiency is what makes precision farming so revolutionary. Example of precision planting using GPS. Let's dive deeper into precision planting with GPS. Traditional planting methods often lead to uneven rows, wasted space, and suboptimal seed placement, which can affect overall crop yield. But with GPS-enabled tractors, this problem is eliminated. Farmers can now plant seeds in perfectly straight lines, with exact spacing between rows, ensuring that each seed is planted in the optimal location. This not only makes planting more efficient but also allows for better crop management throughout the growing season. By using GPS to guide their tractors, farmers can avoid overlap, making sure no part of the field is underused or overplanted. This uniformity is key to maximizing the use of land and improving overall productivity. The added accuracy also reduces the time spent on reworking fields or correcting mistakes. This means less fuel, less time, and more precise farming. For larger fields, this technology is a game changer, as it can lead to higher yields and more efficient use of resources. GPS in water management and irrigation. Water management is critical for any farm, and GPS technology has completely transformed how farmers irrigate their crops. Using GPS-guided irrigation systems, farmers can control when and where water is distributed across their fields, ensuring that every plant gets the exact amount of water it needs. This system can be combined with soil moisture sensors, which monitor the soil's water levels in real time and provide feedback to the irrigation system. As a result, the system adjusts the water output based on the specific needs of each section of the field. This reduces water waste and prevents over-irrigation, which can damage crops. For regions facing drought or water shortages, this technology is essential. GPS-guided irrigation systems ensure that every drop of water is used efficiently, saving resources while promoting healthier crop growth. Farmers can also monitor and adjust these systems remotely, saving time and allowing them to focus on other tasks. Crop monitoring with GPS and drones. Crop monitoring is another area where GPS technology shines, especially when combined with drones. In the past, farmers would have to walk through their fields to inspect their crops for signs of disease, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. This was time-consuming and often not very accurate. Now, with drones equipped with GPS and high-resolution cameras, farmers can monitor their entire field in a matter of minutes. Drones can fly over large fields, capturing detailed images and data about the health of the crops. These images can then be analyzed to detect any issues early on, allowing farmers to take action before problems escalate. Additionally, GPS ensures that drones fly in precise patterns, covering the entire field without missing any areas. This technology not only saves time but also allows farmers to make more informed decisions about how to manage their crops. By using GPS-enabled drones, farmers can quickly identify problem areas and apply treatments exactly where they are needed, reducing the overall use of chemicals and increasing the efficiency of their farming operations. Now that you've seen how GPS is changing the face of farming, we want to hear from you. Do you think GPS technology could improve your farm's productivity? What's the most exciting GPS tool you'd like to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into precision farming, don't miss our next video on how drones are revolutionizing crop monitoring. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a farming tech update.